Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup haul, so if you like to see some of the goodies that I picked up, please keep watching. So I guess we'll go ahead and start with Kylie Cosmetics. I picked up a few things from her. These are the setting powders. I guess I got 3 shades. I don't know what I was thinking. The first one I got is Soft Pink. Ooh, I like this packaging a lot. It's super cute. I don't have, the only other pink setting powder I have is from Ben Nye, and this isn't my favorite, so I wanted to try hers, and this was just interesting to me, something that's like more unique than like the typical shade of setting powder, so I wanted to give this a try to set my under eyes. Then I picked up the shade Translucent, and again it's the same packaging, so I plan on using this probably to set my entire face. Then I picked up the shade Beige, which I believe she said this is the shade that she uses to set her foundation. So I just wanted to try that out as well. So I'll put them, hopefully you can see the shade difference. This is Soft Pink, Translucent, and then Beige. So I pretty much shop Kylie Cosmetics every time she comes out with something new. I don't get everything that she comes out with, but most of it. Anyway, she had buy one get one free lip kits, so I went ahead and picked up a few shades. I actually got 2 shades that I already had, but I got new ones because the ones that I already have, I've had since they first launched. And what was that, like, when was that? Was that 3 years ago, 4 years ago? So I went ahead and just picked up another Candy K and then a Koko K lip kit. These I'm just going to replace with my old ones. And then for free, I got the shade Queen, which I accidentally already had this and I didn't know. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in a summer giveaway. So make sure you keep a lookout for that. And then I got the shade Autumn. So this next thing I ordered off of Amazon, I saw it on Pinterest and I was like, I need to try that. And I looked for it in store and it was like way more expensive in store, so I just got it off of Amazon. This is the Neutrogena Moisture Shine Lip Smoother. It has SPF of 20, cooling hydrogel, and I have Gleam 40. So yeah, I've never tried this, but as soon as I saw it on Pinterest, I just kind of clicked. You know when you click on the picture on Pinterest and you can look below and it shows things that are similar? Like this was all over the place, so I'm excited to try this. And then when I was in Victoria's Secret, I like Victoria's Secret lip products. I'm not crazy about any of their other makeup, but I like their lip products. So I saw this and this was buy one, get one free. So I figured I would just put the other one in a giveaway too, or like a birthday present. I don't know. I'm going to do something with it. But this is a lip gloss set, so you get 5 different lip glosses. I'm excited for this hot pink shade, and then this like baby pink shade, and then we have like a pink clear pearly shade, and then this last shade is kind of like a silver glittery clear gloss, and then we have this red one, which I mean I don't really wear a lot of red lipstick, but yeah, I thought this was a really good deal. And these tubes, these remind me of the Bath & Body Works glosses, like back in the day, like that I don't think they really make anymore, but those were some of my favorites, so super excited for these Victoria's Secret lippies. I was trying to show you guys like by store or like where I got it, and then I just got off track. So the next thing I got from Amazon, I saw this on Twitter and I was like, this is from Coppertone, and it's the Sunscreen Lotion Glow with Shimmer 50 SPF. This is what it looks like, and when people put it on their legs on Twitter, it was like a body glow, and then it has SPF of 50 in it, so I'm like all for that, so I'm super excited for this. Then I have this from LA Girl. I got this on the LA Girl website. This is the 6 color highlighter palette. This packaging is everything. So this is what this looks like. It is pretty big, but so you open it up. There is no mirror, but you do get 6 highlighting shades. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few of these. You know whenever they put like a white one in there and you're like, oh, it's gonna be white, and then you touch it and there's some kind of pearl color in it? Yeah, that just happened. Ooh, but they look really pigmented. So here are a few swatches. Ooh, this one, there's one in here that's like a pink gold shade. This one, ooh, that's gorgeous. And then I had to get these. I don't really buy a lot of makeup brushes, if I'm being honest. I'm signed up for monthly Morphe, so I kind of just use those, and then if I see a brush along the way that I really like at the store, I'll grab it, but that like rarely happens. But you guys, these Wet n Wild, they're the limited edition brush kit, It has a rose brush and then a tiny rose brush, and I had to get these. Part of me just wants to keep it like in this case, like on my dresser, but I don't know. It says it's a blush brush and an eyeshadow brush, so I'm not too sure. I think it looks so cute just like sitting in this. Kind of gives me like Beauty and the Beast vibes. So I'm just gonna take them out so I can just show you guys like up close, but I think I'm gonna keep them in that container for now. But how cute are these? Then I got this from the Morphe store. This is the Glam Bronze Face and Body Bronzer. I think this is part of their like, I don't know, this is like in a set of stuff from this line. So I have the shade Icon. This is super cute packaging. Ooh, I want to do a makeup tutorial with like this coral pink shade with some gold. I'm gonna have to remember that. So this is the shade that I got, and then there is a mirror. I probably, well, this will probably work for me when I'm fair and light, but I almost feel like this isn't gonna be dark enough for like my tan that I have right now. So maybe I'll go back there and get a darker shade. Then this, I feel like it was out for like a really long time and I just never was like, oh, I need to go buy that. And then the second it was sold out and I couldn't find it anymore, I was like, okay, I want that. So I found this on Beautylish. This is from Jeffree Star, and this is the Blood Sugar palette. Can we talk about this packaging? This is insane. Look at this. If you don't like big bulky things, you are going to hate this, but this is so cute. The only other Jeffree Star eyeshadow palettes I have is the Thirsty palette, which I think was last year's like summer palette, and then I have the Androgyny palette. So you just flip these little clips up and you get a mirror, and then look at these shades. I cannot wait to play with this. So the last thing I have in this haul is not a makeup product, but I got it from Ulta and it had really good reviews, and I want to do a video testing it out. This is from Instyler, and it's the Straight Up Ceramic Straightening Brush. This is what it looks like. So if you guys have tried this, let me know in the comments below, but I'm always looking for like different kind of like hairstyling, like heat products. Normally I just blow dry my hair, use a straightener or like a wand, and then I go, but I wanted to try this out and see how like straight my hair will get with just this thing. It says that it has 65 ceramic heated plates, instant heat, cool tip bristles, and it goes up to 450. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. Okay guys, so that's everything from my haul. As always, let me know if you've tried any of these products in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.